Ever felt like your trusty Dyson V10 has lost its roar? You flick it on, expect that powerful suction, and instead you get a whimper? Or maybe it's just stopped working altogether? This isn't just a minor hiccup. It's often the heart of your vacuum giving up. We frequently find a combination of a faulty motor and, surprisingly, a faulty Dyson wand contributing to the performance dive. And let's be honest, when your Dyson isn't working right, it often gets packed with dirt and grime on the inside. Ignoring these issues can lead to even bigger headaches and a vacuum that's more decoration than cleaning tool. But here's the good news. At RoboCare, we don't just patch things up. We diagnose, repair, and even perform a deep cleaning service to make sure your Dyson V10 performs like new again. We know this model's intricate engineering inside and out. When your V10 comes to us, our first step is a comprehensive diagnostic. We precisely identify not just the faulty motor, but often the accompanying faulty Dyson wand that contributes to the problem. We don't just stop there. We've seen firsthand how incredibly dirty these units can get internally when they're not performing optimally. So, our solution isn't just a part replacement, it's a full revitalization. We completely dismantle your Dyson V10, perform a meticulous deep clean, and replace all faulty components with genuine parts. But don't just take our word for it. Let's show you the incredible transformation we achieve. And just look at the difference. After RoboCare's comprehensive repair and deep cleaning, this Dyson V10 is performing like it just rolled off the factory floor. Powerful suction, pristine clean. It's ready to tackle any mess. Don't let a faulty motor slow you down. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.